Introducing the world's smallest 6-inch label printer from Citizen Systems Europe, the CL-S6621. A premium printer at a remarkably low cost, the CL-S6621 is the best priced 6-inch printer on the market today. With its modest footprint, the CL-S6621 is the ideal choice for any business where space is a premium. It may be small in size, but this printer is big in delivery. Lightweight and easy to move, it's packed with powerful features that enable precision printing time after time from a compact and robust unit. The CL-S6621 is designed for efficiency. It's fast to set up as well as being fully compatible and easy to integrate into existing applications or networks. Featuring a durable internal power supply and an automatic standby mode, the CL-S6621 cuts energy consumption and adds green credentials to its impressive list of benefits. Enclosed in a robust and highly durable casing, the print mechanism features an all-metal construction which ensures reliability and precision. Plus, as it can be raised to a vertical position, cleaning and servicing is quick and easy. Featuring a high ribbon load capacity and unique anti-wrinkle technology, media loading and maintenance with the CL-S6621 is fast and effortless. An external media loader is also available. The patented ARCP automatic tensioning system guarantees clear, high-quality labels with every print. A wide range of media can be used with this printer thanks to its adjustable sensor. With advanced scanning technology, the sensor enables you to print on a range of label sizes with just a few simple changes. All of this makes the CL-S6621 the perfect solution for reliable, high-volume label printing in a broad range of applications, including warehousing, logistics, pallet labeling. The Citizen CL-S6621, a powerful pint-sized solution for printing high-class 6-inch labels each and every time. For more information, please visit our website.